Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all having a great day. It's your boy Jay, the Marauder, back again with another video. And don't worry, I'm not driving anywhere far right now. I'm currently in my neighborhood, that's why I have the camera out. I'm going at the speed like 5 kilometers an hour or something. But anyways, today's video, we're doing stuff to the Marauder. I gotta renew I have to go first renew the insurance on it. Once I renew the insurance, I need to go pick up a new battery for it. It's the first time I pick up a battery for a motorcycle, so I don't even know what I'm looking for. I have looked on Napa and found one that matches, so I'm just gonna pick that up. It's only $100. They have another option, which is another 10 cold cranks. The one I'm looking at is 175 cold cranks, and that's like $102. And then there's one for 185 cold cranks for $209. I don't know how much of a difference that $100 makes, but I'm gonna go with the cheaper one and see how it goes. The weather seems to be getting better. It's still raining, but it doesn't seem to be any more snow or like Arctic winds or whatever. So should be all right. I'm gonna pick up the 175 cold crank and see how it goes. But first, need to go to the insurance broker and renew the insurance on the bike, because it expires in a couple of days and I don't want to deal with the whole process of returning the plates, since I haven't uninsured the motorcycles ever since I purchased it, and I feel like these are some good plates. They've been giving me good luck on the bike and all that, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, I'll catch you guys in a bit. We're here at the local Napa, and let's go get the battery. So I got the battery. Let's head on home and put this back into the Marauder. We got the battery. I went with a Napa battery. The model number is CTX1215BS. It's a 175 cold crank. This one was for $110. There's a 185 cold crank for about $209. So I didn't want to pay the extra $100, so I got this. Hopefully it works. If not, then I have to cough up the extra $100 anyways. And on the Marauder, apparently it's pretty easy. We just have to remove the seat, the little storage compartment, and there's just 2 screws holding in terminals, and we just pull it right up. So let's see how it goes. For you guys that don't know how to remove the seat, you take your key, the small key slot right there, put this in, turn to the right, pop the seat off. Take the seat off, it's just a spring and a little clip holds on right there. And set this aside. Afterwards, this is the little compartment that's in here for storage. I usually keep a set of emergency tools in here, which will come in handy today because we're going to be using the multi-bit screwdriver in here to remove the battery. We'll put that off to the side for now too. Remove that. Put this to the side. And now get to the battery. This is the USB charger that I have. I want to try and move this around and away from here. And just the 2 Phillips head screws holding on the terminal. And be careful, there's these 2 like little things here, these little cubes. Be careful you don't lose those. Those things are apparently very hard to get. So just do that and we'll pop it right off. Alright, so now we have an overhead view. The lighting in here is not that great, to be honest, but it is what it is. Try and zoom in. We got the multi-bit screwdriver right here. Mine's is from Stanley, got for like $15 at the clean tower thing. I can't remember. Anyways, I'm gonna zoom in onto the actual battery terminals. One thing you can do is always remove the positive first, so that reduces the risk of getting like a spark and all that. So we're going to do that first. Try and remove that after. I'm gonna put the bolts somewhere safe, so for now it's in my pocket. The same thing with the negative one. Never mind, I'm just being a goof. For right now, we're just removing the terminal pieces for the USB charger, while removing the bolts for this. USB charger is out of the way. Move that over here for now. So now, just have to, you can see, you can't really see, I guess. Pull the battery out, just like that. And there you go. That's the old battery. It's the YTX 12BS 180 amps. Okay, so the one I have right now is smaller than this one, so we'll see how it goes. So now we have the new battery next to the old battery. We'll remove this from the box and see how this one is and compare them. Should be the right size. One on Apple's site, it said this one is compatible with the Marauder. So we'll see how it goes. What does it say on top? First time I'm dealing with a motorcycle battery, so there it goes. Note: add acid, then charge battery. See owner's manual. Well, shit. I've never done this before. See owner's manual. Charge battery. Owner's manual. Well, hold up. I want to unbox this first. Alright, so it's been a couple of days since the last scene. After I took out the battery, I realized I had to be prepared, so I prepared it and I put it on a trickle charger. And I had basically put it on a trickle charger for the past 3 days, so there is no excuse that the battery is low. Battery should be charged at 100% right now. So all I have to do now is put it in the bike, then we can start it up. There should be no excuse that it shouldn't start up. It should be fine now. So let's do that, and I'll get back to you guys once we're about to start it up. Alright, so this is where the voltage meter on the USB charger comes in handy. Put the battery in, I'm making sure, turn that on, reading 13.3 volts. It should be enough to start it up. I'm gonna bring the bike out because it's been off for about two and a half weeks now. So I'm gonna bring it out, turn on, and burn off a bit of the old fuel, and let's see how it goes. There you go. Started up. It did take me a couple of attempts, but it did start up. So the battery is good. So with that, I'm going to end this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys found it helpful. I really did. I'm now very thankful that the bike does start up again. So, and it has a brand new battery, so it should be good for another year or so. And in the cold, the next couple of days I will be riding it, so it'll be fine. But during the week, I'll probably put it back on the trickle charger again. It's not as cold as it was before, so it should be fine. So yeah, with that, I'm gonna call it here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to hit 1K as fast as possible, and hopefully by the end of this month. So I would really appreciate your guys' help with that, because I can't do that without you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you all in the next video. Stay safe, stay warm. Adios.